I really like my Air 3S, but I also like wearing white t-shirts, and if you own these glasses, you know that white or even just light coloured clothing and the Air 3S don't mix well, because your clothes get reflected up through here and into your view. So I've designed this 3D print to solve the problem. I went through many different designs before settling on this one. I tried to make it work with PLA because that's the material most people will have, but the rigidity of PLA puts pressure on the birdbath structure, warping the image just enough to make my eyes feel screwed up. So this works best when printed in black TPU. They just slide in and are held in place with their own friction. They block the reflections coming from your clothes, and they completely block the front transparent plastic, making the inside nice and dark, so you get a much more vibrant and clear image for real immersion. So I'm putting this on Thingiverse for free. There are links in the description. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.